going to review Bird's Eye frozen Oriental type dinners. It comes in a bag, serves 3 people, and all you have to do is heat it and serve it. The one I have tonight is Bird's Eye Viola chicken, garlic chicken, and it's got all the vegetables and everything in the package here. All you have to do is put it in a stick-proof skillet and cook it about 10 minutes. Put the skillet on the burner, turn it on. Put a little circle of olive oil in here, it doesn't take much. It's not called for, but it improves the flavor. Got this at Walmart for $3.49. And I can't think of a cheaper one-pan meal that you could make for that price. Cut the package here and dump it in. And add a half cup of water. Pour in the half cup of water. Put a lid on it. And it says to cook 12 to 13 minutes on medium high, stirring occasionally. Well, I'm going to wait till it starts cooking before I start timing it. And I'm going to make some garlic toast here to go with it. Butter one side of this piece of French bread here. Need a little more butter. And I've got some garlic powder here. I'll sprinkle a little of that on here. Now I'll put this in the toaster oven when it's time to make the toast. In the meantime, I've made a couple salads. I'll send those to the table now. And the dinner has just started cooking, so I'll start timing it now. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes since it started cooking. I'll stir it here. And I'm going to put a little salt on it now, and pepper. And put the lid back on it. Okay, it's been in here about 14 minutes. So I'll stir it. The liquid is all absorbed into it. And the way to test it is test a piece of the pasta. Yep, and it's done. Transfer it into a serving dish here. to go to the table. And the garlic toast is done. So we'll take that to the table now. Serve it up here at the table. And the garlic toast with it. And it's ready for dinner.